Everywhere you go in the East Bay area, you'll see East Bay Mud at work. But what you rarely see is what we're working on because it's underground. East Bay Mud opens as many as 5,000 public streets each year to replace miles of pipe, repair thousands of broken mains and service lines, and install new service lines, regulators, and fire hydrants. Every time we open the street, we close it. East Bay Mud Paving is a skilled group whose work to restore those roads is in high demand. Typically, East Bay Mud Paving will come back within 30 days to replace the temporary paving with permanent paving, weather and workload permitting. On larger scale jobs, where East Bay Mud crews are installing thousands of feet of new pipe, we've improved our paving techniques. We now use milling machines that grind up old asphalt in preparation to lay new asphalt. This new method improves efficiency, reduces risk of injury, and gets us in and out of your way faster. We're also investing more time into creating partnerships with the 35 agencies who govern paving standards in the East Bay. The future we envision is one that has us on parallel paths so we can share resources and combine paving projects. East Bay Mud Paving. It's how we roll.